I'm Deborah Dahab, your expat coach and intercultural psychologist. I help people prepare for a move abroad in terms of mindset, emotionally, and planning. And I also help people who have moved abroad too. So today in this video, I'm going to share the truth no one tells you about moving abroad. Of course, this is based on my own experience. I have been a foreigner, expat immigrant for pretty much all my life. And I've been working with expat coaching for almost 7 years now. So I have plenty of clients' stories to relate to. Very similar stories as my own. There seems to be a pattern. So I would like to share these things here with you so you can better prepare for your move abroad. The first thing that is really important to know is that things are going to be different. Even if you have visited the place, even if you have been on a holiday or done scouting trips, it's going to be different from what you expect. Just because living in a place is completely different than knowing that you have limited time and you're going back. It doesn't mean it's going to be worse. It doesn't mean it's going to be better. Sometimes it's just different. And many times we associate like this is not what I expected, therefore it's bad, which is not necessarily true. It's really important to keep an open mind, an open heart. I like this quote that says the mind is like a parachute. It works better when it's open. Or it only works when it's open. So I really like this idea, and it's really important to keep that in mind. Even people, and I've had clients who've told me, like I don't expect anything. Well, there's an expectation. If you don't expect anything, you're expecting not to expect. So it's unavoidable, I think. So really keep that in mind. It's going to be different. The second thing that I think is really important for people to know is that you're not going to be as productive as you're used to, most likely. Especially people like myself, I felt this over and over again, that it took me so long to get like simple things done, go to grocery shopping or whatever. And I felt many times, and I've heard many of my clients say this, that they feel like they're just lagging, and they don't feel they are themselves because they can't get things done. And that's pretty normal, and also not surprising, because we are in a different place, many times with a different language, even if we do speak the same language. Like I speak Brazilian Portuguese, and in Portugal it's the same language, but many terms and words are different. So it takes more mental effort to get things done. We need to think more. We need to it's different. So it takes longer for us to do things. Just remember when you were learning to drive or ride a bike, like in the beginning, you were mindful of everything, the clutches and the mirrors and, the positioning and all the, the lights, or if you're riding a bike, like, the brakes, how do you... And then at some point it became automatic, and you went from point A to point B. You don't remember how you got there because it became so automatic. So that's the same thing when we're in a learning curve in a new country. So expect to take longer to get things done. Expect to have more questions, and you probably won't be as productive as you are used to. And the last thing is that the more you are aware of what you're moving for, and I'm going to link up here a video where I talk about what this hell moving for is. Basically, it's knowing your objectives and your goals in your move. The clearer what you're moving for is, the better you will adjust, the better you will manage with the ups and downs of the emotional roller coaster of an international relocation, before, during, and after. This is the cornerstone of your move abroad, knowing what you're moving for, not why you're moving. That doesn't matter after you moved, pretty much after a while. What matters is what you want to accomplish. People don't tell you that because people don't know. And that's why I'm here. And this is, in a nutshell, some things that people do not tell you about moving abroad and life abroad. If this is something that that resonates with you and you would like to take it to the next level, feel free to grab my free mini course, International Relocation Starter Course. The link is in the description box. I'll also include the links in the comments. It's a free mini course where in 4 lessons, I'm going to talk about a lot of these things and more. It has downloads, and it's something that I hope will help you in your international journey. Please like, subscribe, comment. I'd love to hear your questions, and I hope to see you next time.